I've been to Hobby Lobby and Michael's, so I wanted to share what I got. And I want to start with Hobby Lobby. I got these 3 items 90% off because they were Easter. Nice great big basket. This is going to be for my grandson next year. And this nice, it's a little darker, heavier cast, thicker pink one. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. These adorable little Easter eggs, speckled Easter eggs. They were all 90% off. So I got them at Hobby Lobby. And what else did we get? Alright, let's see. We got this, which was on clearance. It is, what is it? It was $1.99. It's 3 hanging file folders, and they're clear. Holds 12 by 12 inch. So I figured this might be good for some panels or some artwork to protect them. For $1.99, this was a nice size. You can see how clear they are. It's a very nice product. Okay, and let's see what else we got. What else did I get on sale? Oh, I got this True Pack. Regularly $2.99. I got it for 87 cents. It is construction paper. I figured I could make some art projects with my grandson as he gets older slowly. Nice shades in there. It looks like it's all purple actually. It's alright. And it is heavyweight construction paper. Let's see what else we got. We got these 2 that were also on clearance. They are foam stamps. I love stamps. They were only 74 cents each. And there's 2 stamps in each one. One is a sailboat. I don't know if you can see it. And that one is an anchor. Then you got a little cactus plant in a pot. And a flower in a pot. You can probably see the back better. That's those. And that's those. Those were 74 cents each. Luckily $2.99. And then I got these. These are, they were $3.99. I opened it up a couple minutes ago because I wanted to see all the colors. They're actually mats for framing. I have a cutter and everything to make my own mats. But there's all different colors, and they were on sale for $3.99. I know they're small, but that's okay because I have small prints as well. And with so many different colors, it was a good price. Looks like there might be a problem with one of them right there. Yeah, it's too bad because that's a pretty one. That's a shame. Anyway, I think it's a really good deal for the colors and multiple textures, colors, and so forth. So this was $3.99. And then I got these 2 things right here in Hobby Lobby. They are for stencils. You make your own stencils. They are the Show Off brand. And this one is $1.99. It's 3 sheets of 6 by 18. And I'm hoping I can fit them in my Cricut. I'm not sure. I'll figure it out. If I can't, then I'll make my own. Manually. And then this one is the same. These are stencil blanks as well. They were $2.99. They are 8 by 10s. And it tells you how to do your own stencils if you want to do it manually without the Cricut. So I picked those up because they were cheap, not real expensive to do. I'm really excited about those as well. Now I'm gonna move to Michael's. Let's see what we got at Michael's. Alright, so I found some stuff on clearance. I got this neat stencil by Art Minds. It was regularly $8.49, and it was on clearance for $2.13. It has all these stencils in it, and one of these right here. Very nice. Very nice. And let's see. Got down clearance. It is a planner. Make It Happen planner. Super nice. I like it a lot. I need a planner. I mean, I can always do a planner on the computer, but this is more fun to do. So, let's see what we got here. $2.97. Make It Happen. A whole bunch of stickers right there. A little tape. And the planner. Very pretty. More stickers. And more stickers. And more stickers. Really nice. For $2.97, you can't beat it. Especially when the normal price, I believe, was $24.99. And I believe they may have made a mistake in the pricing, because it rang up at $12.97, and I showed the lady at the register that it says $2.97, so she had to change it down from, well, it was $24.99 to $12.97 to $2.97. So that was a great deal. Here. And, oops. Let's see, I just dropped something. Not sure what it was. There it is. Okay, so, there's that. Put this back in there. I think I might have it backwards. Let's see. This. There we go. Except for that, we're using that. Okay. I'm good at putting things back together. There we go. Okay. There's that. And then what else I got was, all I got out there was some chalk. If I want to trace something out on my canvas before painting it. For example, if I'm doing a picture instead of a pour. And I did get one more thing from Michael's. It was their Easter grab bags. Let's see what we got. Let me move this stuff over here. Like this. Alright. The Easter grab bag for $4 in Michael's grab bag. We only got one. Let's see what we got in there. I can already see there's an Easter basket. Yep. Alright, let's see what we got. We have a nice Easter basket. Pretty colors. And then we have this sticker rolls. They're Easter theme. They were regularly $3.99. Or they were regularly $3. Then we got this little puzzle for an Easter egg. That's cute. It was regularly $5. That's really cute. That'd be great for my grandson next year. This little carrot. Oh my goodness. The squishy carrot. Let's see what it says. It's sort of cute. See? Stretchy carrot. Easter. $5. You get to, when you take it out, you can stretch it. I'm sure he'll love that. More Easter eggs. Yeah. Some down at the bottom, different sizes and such. Some sparkly, some speckled. The basket was normally $15. These eggs were normally $5. So, wow. All these items, that's a great deal. Now man, this is like a little Rubik's Cube of some sort. Creatology Easter Brain Teaser. It was also $5. Alright. And let's see what else we got in there. Ooh. Happy Easter gelled Easter clings. 2 of them. Happy Easter. Those are nice. And those are regularly $4 each. So just for the price of one of these, we got all this extra stuff. Oh, and Tez Marble Easter egg coloring kit. And I don't know how much that was. Doesn't say. I don't see it. And one more thing. Ooh, look at this. Okay, this is cool. Wow. 12-month spiral planner. Wow. Of course, it is for 2019, and this is the beginning of May, so we got 7 months left on it. Very nice planner. Very, very nice. A little pocket. We've got, it says 2019, there's the calendar, there's 2020. And then we've got all kinds of stickers for to-dos, happy days, all kinds of little stickers, and folder. Then we got the months, January, February, and so on, with the pretty colors. Let's see, very pretty. May, June, July, August, I'm not sure what, August, oh there's September, October, November, and December. Some notes, an area for notes. There we go. Very pretty. Hard plastic cover. It's very nice. What a great grab bag that was for $4. Holy macaroni. Pretend I didn't say that. Very pretty planner. So that was a great deal for $4 for their grab bag. Amazing what they put in the grab bag. So anyway, I did want to show you that haul that I got from Michael's and from Hobby Lobby. I thank you all for joining me. Please like and subscribe and share. Please have a great afternoon and evening. Have a great day. Thank you. God bless. Be safe and be happy. See you soon. Bye-bye.